Hello and welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple way to export source code from Lovable.dev. So basically here I am on Lovable, and what I asked it to do is to make me like a simple calculator app. And it has done that. It has done that in over like a minute. And this is the free version as well. So what you want to do is that you want to mosey on to these two arrow keys right here. And if you press it, it's going to show you the source code for the calculator. And what you can do, the simplest way is to just copy whatever it is. You can copy it literally, and then you can paste it onto your program or wherever you want to paste it. The second way that you can do that is via connecting it to GitHub via this button right here. So as soon as you press it, it's going to prompt you to just connect it to GitHub right there. Let me show it so I can show. Authorize Lovable.dev, and it connects you to GitHub right there. You can add organization. Yes, install and authorize. It's installing. Now we are completely connected to GitHub. That's magnificent. Let's view it on GitHub. So right now it's going to load up GitHub. This is the exact project that I was just working on. You can press code right here, and then you can download as zip, and it downloads the entire source code for whatever app you were just working with. Super fast, super easy, super simple. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next vid.